Good morning, students. Yesterday I had given you two problems to solve, and I told you not to take the help from anyone. You must do it on your own. Okay. Now I am going to solve those two problems what was given to you yesterday. Okay. And you please check it and see whether you have made it correctly or not. If there is any mistakes, please rectify it. And if it is correct, that's all right. Now, what is the first question, beta? The first question, a student secured 32% marks in an examination and failed by 12 marks. Another student secured 42% marks and got 28 marks more than the minimum required to pass. Find the maximum marks and the pass percentage of marks. Before going to solve the problems, let me tell you one thing and you must remember it. Pass mark for each and every student is always same. Okay, beta? Like one more example I want to give you before solving it. Like if I say, in Don Bosco Academy, the pass mark is say suppose 40. So if I say, a student who scored 32 marks out of 100, he failed for 8 marks. So what is the pass mark of the examination? 32 he scored and he failed for 8 marks. So 32 plus 8, that 40 is the pass mark or not. On the other hand, if I explain it like that, a student scored 50 marks in an examination in Don Bosco Academy and he got 10 marks more than the pass mark. What happened? A student scored 50 marks in an examination and he got 10 marks more than the pass mark. So what is the pass mark? 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. And what you notice? Both the cases, the pass mark is 40. So both the cases for the first students and the second students, pass mark is equal. Just to remember these 2 points, then it will be very easy for you to understand these problems. Now I am going to solve the problems. In this question, what is the total marks or the maximum marks of the examination is not given. So I have taken, let the total marks of the examination be X. Now marks secured by the first students. How much you got, beta? 32% of X means 32X by 100. Now what the question said? And the first students is failed by 12 marks. Or he got 12 marks less than the pass mark. So what will be the pass mark? Like I said, 32 you got. And you got 8 marks less than the pass mark. So what is the pass mark? 32 plus 8. Here also what you scored? 32x by 100 and it is 12 marks less than the pass mark. So if I add 12 with that, that will be the pass mark for the first candidate or not. Now I am going to calculate for the second candidate. Marks secured by the second students, how much? 42% of x equal to 42x by 100. And what happened to him? His marks, the marks what is secured, that is 28 marks more than the pass mark. Like I told you, you got 50 marks and which is 10 marks more than the pass mark. So what is the pass mark? 50 minus 10. Same way here, you secured this much and minus 28. Have you got the pass mark for the second students or not? Now in the beginning only I told you, beta, pass mark for each and every students of a school or a class is same. So the pass mark for the first students and the pass mark for the second students both are equal. After putting it, what I'll do? All the variable you put it on one side and all the constant you are going to put it in other side. And when they change their side, their sign will also change. So all the x will be in one side and all the constant will be in other side. So when they change their side, their sign will change. All of you are knowing it. Their sign also change. Like this one come this side, it become minus. This one goes that side, its sign become minus also. Now you do the LCM. All of us, after doing the LCM, you do the simplification. I did the simplification here. Both are minus sign. In between, no multiplication, no division sign. So what I told you, put the sign and add them. I add it up. Now If you come here, so what is coming? 32x minus 42x. I told you when two numbers are having different sign, in between no plus, in between no multiplication sign, no division sign. So before the bigger number, what sign is there, put it. So you must have noticed it was given there 32x minus 42x. So 42 was bigger. Before 42, what minus sign was there? Minus. That is why I put it here minus. So minus 10x by 100 equal to minus 40. Now I have done the cross multiplication. All of you are knowing it. Okay. So when do the cross multiply, both sides minus sign, cancel it. Value of x, you will be able to find out. Value of x is 400. What is x? X was the maximum marks of the examination. So what is the maximum marks? 400. Now what is the pass mark? Any of the point, like the pass mark for the first students or the pass mark for the second students. Anywhere you put the value of x. In place of first students or in place of the second students. Wherever, because both the cases pass mark is same. So I put it here, first students have taken it, 32x by 100 plus 12. You know the value of x. 32x means 32 into x. So 32 into 400. After that, if you do the calculations, you are going to get the pass mark 140. Now how to find out the pass percentage? Pass marks by the total marks multiplied by 100. What is the pass mark? 140. What is the maximum marks or total marks? 400 into 100. If you do the calculation, you are going to get 35%. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to solve the second problems. Already the question is with you. You read the questions and just I am going to solve it here. First things, what it is? Let the original population of the village. It was not given in the question what is the population of the village. I have taken it here. Let the original population of the village be equal to x. Now what the question said? 2% of the population are dead. Now how many 2%? 2% of what is the population? X. So will you be able to find out how many people of the village are died? That is x by 50. So total population was x. इतना आदमी टोटल पॉपुलेशन है इतना, उसमें x by 50 आदमी मर गया. अभी कितना आदमी जिंदा है? हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड? सर्वाइव मीन्स जिंदा. हाउ यू गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट? टोटल पॉपुलेशन माइनस नंबर ऑफ पीपल जो मर गया. इफ यू माइनस इट, विल यू बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट नाउ हाउ मेनी पीपल्स आर देयर इन द विलेज और नॉट? सो हाउ मेनी पीपल्स आर देयर इन द विलेज? 49x by 50. अभी क्या होगा बेटा? आउट ऑफ 49x by 50 पीपल, 14% ऑफ द पीपल लेफ्ट द विलेज. वाई? बिकॉज लोग का डर हो गया, जिस गांव में बीमारी आ गया हम लोग भी रहेंगे तो हम लोग भी मर जाएंगे. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट fear, 14% of the people, those who are alive, they left the village. So how many of them are left the village? 14% of the number of people alive. How many of alive? 49x by 50. So will you be able to find out now how many people left the village or not? Now I will show you the calculation here. Percent, if you remove the percent, 100 will come down into 49x by 50. If you do the calculation, number of people left the village equal to 343x by 2500. डर का मरे इतना आदमी गांव को छोड़ करके चला गया. Got it by not? Now we have to calculate इतना आदमी गांव को छोड़ करके चले जाने का बाद भी how many people are still left in the village. Okay, अभी तक कितना आदमी वो गांव में still there are people still in the village. How many people are there in the village? So you know that मरने का बाद जो आदमी मर गया तो चला गया. So मरने का बाद कितना आदमी था बेटा? 49x by 50. Out of this, how many left the village? 343x by 2500. तो अभी गांव में कितना आदमी है? जितना आदमी जिंदा था मरने के बाद माइनस जितना आदमी गांव छोड़ करके चला गया. इफ यू डू द कैलकुलेशन, द पीपल हाउ मेनी आर अलाइव, okay, and minus how many left. If you do this calculation, you know how to do the calculation better than me. Easily you can find out how many people are still in the village. Okay, अभी गांव में कितना है? Now according to the question, this is equal to 2107. This is equal to how much? 2107. Now, understood? Now if you do the cross multiplication, 2107x is equal to this and this should multiply it. So x equal to this divided by this will be cancelled. So how much is coming? 2500. Therefore the original population of the village was 2500. I hope I made it very clear to you. Okay, so this is what is there for you today, and that's the end of this chapter. Next day I am going to discuss the new chapter for you. Next day's revision will be the new chapter. Thank you so much.